wate. Ya ubegwo na becha boni akati anu wo. Ya ubegwo ubegwo wate. Ya ubegwo boni eja fa kosiri. Ya ubegwo sada kwa ni se boni nye. E bona tuwa utwe fa kosiri. Ya ubegwo sija boni ye nwanya ngwaje. Ya ubegwo papa ye ni ye nwanya ngwaje o. Ya ubegwo ni tu fisha boni kosiri. Ya ubegwo na becha.
Why didn't you come tonight?
My husband is home.
Say crowd here. Now kasana na mikru. When are you going to finish him off?
Why are you so impatient? I'll do it on the new moon.
That's too far from now.
So you know the time between 2 new moons? Don't you dare.
It seems you are forgetting why I agreed for you to marry my brother.
Whether I'm married to you or him, I have what I want.
Can't I touch my own child? Abba.
Yes?
Abba. What are you doing outside alone? Huh? It is not safe. Come with me. Let's go.
Abba, what about Ukramane?
Mammy, some catch and there's some cassia pan a babu.
Hey, Abba, Shani you. As a crotchy, a man sat to you moi. No one therefore, and once inside the Ewahoda. Obet me how a brebia.
What do you want here? Get off my farm!
Do you have a farm?
It is my husband's farm.
And it is our family land too.
I don't care. Leave this place. Hey! Adwa, please leave her alone. She's pregnant. Please. What are you looking at? Her once beautiful face, which has become so ugly. Dabi,
Hey, Prima, why are you fuming?
I think you should ask your wife. She's really getting on our nerves. She's preventing us from harvesting crops from the farm. On top of that, she struck her jaw with a stick the last time.
Oh! Me Becca sa why? Ma bibia to din. Why?
Mati?
You went there, Ebishia.
Obrefo, this situation cannot go on forever.
What is it at all that can make you hate your brother so much? As for land, no one was born with it. I'm prepared to cut a piece of mine for you.
Opinion. What hurts me is that he is my junior brother. So he should not show me such disrespect by calling me insulting names. If anything, he has rather shown that he doesn't want any reconciliation.
I want us to have a final meeting on this issue. Do you agree?
Abba, I think that settles it. I have given them the permission to harvest from the farm. So there is no need to quarrel. I have to go and see Abu Sepani. I won't take long. Come here.
Abba.
As for you, you always come at the wrong time.
This is the right time because your husband is not at home. I want you to do it tonight. Kill him this evening.
What are you shouting for? Obrefo, what are you shouting for? I won't kill him. Minkuno Tong.
Oh, I know you will do it in your own time. Eh? I'm so sorry for the pressure I'm putting on you, Abba.
Obrefo, leave me alone. If you dare come here again, if my husband comes, I will tell him.
Please, Abba. Please.
Alright, so as I was saying, since your father died,
Oh, now wait up at
How you feel?
it's my fault. AJ, I should have told you who you were coming to meet here.
Openi. And I'm a buam woman. My train.
I called the two of you here so that we bury the land dispute once and for all.
I agree. Once it doesn't mean my giving up ownership of the portion I have toiled so much to make productive.
Masam Yinan say, Assassino, Yanchan Fofro, we must reach the land.
Say, say, Assassino Sanka. You know your problem in particular is laziness.
Opani, so Sadimatembium.
Please.
So
Please.
My sisters now work on the farm, and I allow them to harvest from the farm. And if I am not lying, he eats from the same harvest.
Actually, me, I will never.
Oh, Obrefo. So you are already enjoying from your brother?
Opani, did you ask me to come here to be humiliated? Did you ask me to come here to be humiliated? Eh? Did you ask me to come here to be humiliated? I will not sit down to be ridiculed. Ajay, you must know that we are still at war.
You see that? You see?
Openly, I have come for my gold.
Sikaben. Sikala what the mom said. Minko jere wechi enkasem. Asem no so be kan ya na ye na anye. It be nisika bia de ma.
Share. Openly, no one messes up with me or Brefo in this village and goes free. I am giving you up to tomorrow morning. If I don't get my gold, mark my words, I will kill you.
Obrefo, you spend all your time spying on me. Men can't trust since you have you. But men can't trust Nena Tom once is a mawari. Me domi kunu. Min pe biom. Na min kumi kunu so mauda.
What is Samaba?
Assembly.
Or Brefo, I see what to Abamonano. Hey! Hey! Obimro! Mabna! 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 Obimro! Mabna!
Kusume wajana kwa kusume wajana kwa kusume wajana kwe
I want him brought to me.
Yeah.
I want him brought to me dead or alive.
Yeah.
This abomination will not stand.
Yeah. Tamai! 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 Wana kusume! Wana kusume! Wana kusume wajana kwe!
am so.
Me pen trust kwen yesa. Dabi. Why Bonnie Papa?
Papa.
Hey. Nana.
You can't go with them.
Nana.
No. You are his brother. He has offended you. You will shed his blood.
Nana. Obrefo is a great warrior with his staff and spear. I may be of good use if I go to her.
Swear to me you will not shed his blood.
I swear the great oath of the stool.
Now, go and bring me Obrefo.
Obrefo! Sorry, I'll say Aputo. Surrender!
I will fight till death!
Yeah! Obrafo. Etu di asem bia ba be kwa wu a age sekraw. Nanim se nimu antimi wa etete wontuma. Menyini se asem we obetumi ayi hu afirim totroto da biara da. Wodi fa na so de bem. Hwe so hwe manim to. O hwe manim so dwan no. Onkasa. Onkasa. O cholege. Onkasa. Therefore, oso onkasa dia bu asem no. Na obi o bibi pa se oye no. Onko no onko ye.
Sabe ka de credit wa. Obejimi edi.
Ka wanu tum wo ho. Ka wanu tum wo ho. Nukwe be na ka na maju adie. Munatu ni dabre be ni etise wo kokose ni be ma etise wo. Bibi enkume so this aboni we say wie no no adwane enwuram srodo. Anya man fa dawroma e na be che wo man ya. Se ka adwane. Se ka adwane. Se ka adwane. Nanane ne mpanimfo me koto no fili se ogudumadi no so menti jai na wo samre na wo yeden ho na me kwaje ho akwaje bayiritre ni bi akodua eti be kwa mi duru akire ho no na me te sa aba ajei okumyo obimre oprami na me de ka me ko ho me koya oja fola Ogusua obodumai obodua obodi bi adwuma oni na ba akwato ade ba akwato ana o se entam ana okude
emususem oba onyim na unim se ubem na pon
obrafo unye woni nenka wonni fa esi ha ena asem ekina asem na samre na ye den e wo fie ho ana na yira ba no ana na pese okoto no na nana asem na kasa no abu awie no kra na dadi awie dada so pani bi obibi so be kan so dia otimi kan
asotwe a efata no na ese de ma no
Obrefo, you have committed abomination in this matter.
Yeah.
You will be banished immediately.
Yeah.
Take him away.
Abrafo, mumfa no ko. Mami. Move.
Abba, I will never forget what you have done to me.
See
Hey, AJ, what is wrong with you?
I'm alright, I'm okay.
Are you sure you're alright?
It's just a bad dream. Don't worry, I'm fine.
Back when you know. Push down! Oni anwodin osukwa. Sonai. Hey, son. Sonai. Back fan to form. Champion. Sorry, now Sorry. Sorry. Come on. Come on, go.
If you had won, she would have been with you. This is the third time your brother has beaten me. But there will be no fourth time. Next time, I'll put his back to the ground. Let's go.
Medu, see, I am very...
See ya. Beko.
Idiot, what you Oh, have I said something wrong? Oh.
Don't mind him. Oh, please.
Hey!
You don't. Brinya.
Don't mind her. Is she the only beautiful girl in this village? I don't know your band.
You know the answer.
I think it's time for you to defend your title. Look, let's go.
have you been? Your father has been asking for you.
Hey, Osei. Why haven't you brought the foodstuffs from the farm? When I talk to you, you never listen. Unlike your brother Beko, you better change your character. Come on, go and get a basket and go to the farm immediately. Get the basket. Yeah, Shenipa.
Why are you always picking on Osei? What about Beku? Where is he?
I gave Beku his work, and he has finished. Couldn't Osei have done the same?
So Beku should be wrestling. Whilst Osei does all the work in this house.
That is not it. You know Osei has become lazy. He doesn't do what I tell him. And you support him for that?
For some time now, you've been showing more affection to Beku. If you don't change your attitude, our sons will begin to hate each other.
Osei, you moon.
Osei, let's go. Please, if you want to follow her, go. Leave me out of it.
She's going to the river to take her bath. Don't you want to see her naked today? Osei. Osei, out with it. What is worrying you?
I don't like the way my father is always shouting on me. He doesn't shout on Beku like that.
Are you now seeing for yourself? I have always told you Openeje loves Beku more than you. You better be smart.
How do I get my father to also appreciate me?
Let's go. She'll be battling by now.
Beku.
Papa.
I am telling you this because I will make you my heir. You are the eldest and the most responsible of my children. So, you deserve most of my property. I'll give the whole farm to you.
Thank you very much, Papa. I hear, but what will you give to Osei and Mommy?
I will make other arrangements for them. Beku.
Papa.
Keep whatever I have told you to heart. Don't tell anyone. Not even. Not even your mother. You may go to bed.
Thank you very much, Papa, and good night.
Good night.
Afie de enobaya papa. Ti minim se mu de aduane bebre bebe fie.
Amuza afi we de ya adwuma pa o.
Modo pa enso me ka Beko. Me hu se body abribisi ho nkotwa mawai.
Wei.
Body form ho.
Mami nkotwa mrai.
Dabi emodu. Beko mpa cha ko twa bra wai.
Okay, mami.
Osei. I want you to listen to me very carefully. Beko is your half brother. His mother died at his birth. Last night, I overheard your father say that he will give more than half of his properties to him.
Why?
I can't tell, but you know Beko is his favorite.
Mommy, what do I do now?
Who dey kwa phone bra? Oba e beka ho asem. Why? Kobra.
You, Kwaba.
Aya ya adwuma yi na hwe ho si ye why?
Yo.
AJ.
Hey.
Hi.
Yeah, Nia.
That is say.
Otuman kumadum. Namo go he.
Ya kwa kwatena anti adwa ho kakra.
Hey. Onu kura me hu na cho.
Sa.
I say be pemre pa na me kosra no.
Na osere ni Beko yi.
Oh, mo ni abakwafo. Omba meka chom se mu ba.
Ya hu si yo.
Yo.
Ni e di nyame ja.
Yo. Odoman kuma ni mo.
Osei, have you asked your father why he's always shouting on you?
My mother tells me Beko is my half brother.
Maybe that is why your father loves him more.
What makes me sad is that my father has told him he will inherit more than half his property.
Kai! What is the meaning of that?
Huh? It means I get virtually nothing.
No. Osei, we have to do something.
Like what?
Osei, we have to finish him. Let's go. Osei, let's go.
Mommy, my home. Osei, has Brenya been here?
No. Are you going hunting?
Yes. He was supposed to be coming for me.
Let me go with you. I have some trash to inspect.
But you are doing something.
Oh,
I can finish later. All right, let's go. Jack, and then who's seeing you? Adeleye. Jack, maybe I better. Who's here? Who's here? Oh, wait. Kuno. What's up? Kuno. What's up? Kuno. Who's here? What's up? Who's here? What? So what happened to a man? I can't say what you say. Okai, please help me. My leg is broken. Oh. Okai, please help me. Okai, please. My leg is broken. Okai, please. Please help me. Okai, please help me. Okai, please. Oh, please. Oh, don't go. Oh, please. Okai, please don't go. Oh, please. Yeah, mommy, oh, don't leave me to die. Please help me. Oh, don't go. Okai, please. Penny, where am I? Aha, one. Ohumbato, Mokotwa, Oshabreso. My destiny? Oh, Penny, what destiny? Obako, Akosha Oshabrema. Osei! Get him some water. Osei! What is it? Osei! What is it? What is the matter? Osei, what is it? My girl is dead. What are you saying, Osei? What are you saying? It's true. We went hunting in the forest, and a wild animal attacked us. My son, Beko, Hey, who are you? Hey, where am I? Oh God.
Gentlemen, how did you get here?
Old man, it's a long story. Oh, it's a long story. Who are you?
Let's go. You don't know. Let's go. Let's go. Try.
Who are you?
Bedu, I have just told you that my father has become so sad at Berko's death that I fear he would commit suicide. And all you can think of is girls.
Osei, if your father dies, you will inherit him. Why should you be bothered?
You think so? He has not called me and said anything. But he thinks because Berko's body was never found, he may still be alive.
Berko's body, I'm sure, was dragged away by a wild animal. My friend, I think you don't know what you want. Make up your mind. That is why we eliminated Berko. You took my attention away. Fool.
Bedu, I failed to understand you. Here you are, the chief's son. You can get everything you want, and you pretend as if you are being stabbed. Shut up. Bedu, not to say again. She has made it plain to you that she does not love you.
Did she tell you that?
But from all indications...
If you don't shut up, I will break your neck. If you want to remain my friend, don't ever talk such nonsense. Follow me. Osa, how are you?
I'm fine by the grace of Odoma, uncle.
Osa, can I help you?
Can I help you?
I can do it alone. Thank you.
Oh.
Leave me alone.
I love you.
You must not touch me when I've not been initiated. Surely as a prince you should know that.
What are you laughing at?
Bedu, why are you making a fool of yourself? Huh?
This girl will surely pay for this.
Usa, how are you? Hey, I wonder what you will do after your initiation. Daddy, why are you wet? Hey! Oh! Bedu, stop it. Bedu. Oh, Bedu, stop it. Bedu. Oh. Bedu, stop.
What is making you cry, my daughter? This is not like you. What is it?
But you touched my breast.
Who is that?
Nana Pio's son.
Impossible.
He did, Papa. He touched my breast.
But Prince Bedu knows that no man touches a girl in this village, especially when she has not been initiated. Eh? All right, you go inside. Eh? I will wait for your mother to come and then decide what to do. Go inside.
Old man. You've not spoken to me for the past 3 weeks. I want to go home to my village and family. Who are you? Who are you? Papa, I know nothing about what Nana Hima is saying.
Nana Hima, Katanka and his family just want to disgrace my son for nothing. For nothing.
Nana, this is surprising. I know Katanka and his family to be very honorable. How could they fabricate such a story?
Well, but Bedu says he's innocent. He is innocent. Look, I will deal drastically with Katanka and his family.
I'm also surprised. That man and his family hate me. This is not the first time. I have never spoken to Osa before.
Bedu has every right to choose any woman he wants to marry in this village. How would he go about chasing uninitiated girls? Why? This is totally false. Nana Hima, this is false. Papa. Tell Ochami to summon Kantanga before me.
Yes, Papa.
Kantanga,
Nana,
I want you to explain to me why you and your family are going about peddling lies about my son.
Nana, my daughter will never lie to me.
So who is lying? Is it my son or your daughter? Look, I don't want to hear a word from you nor any member of your family on this issue again. Do you understand?
Nana, my daughter has a witness.
And so what? And so what? I say the case is closed, finished. How can you accuse him without facts? Look, I'm going to sanction your family. You will appear before the court at the next sitting. You.
Nana, I know my daughter will never lie to me.
Kantanga, are you challenging my authority?
Please, Nana, don't sanction my family at your court.
Go. Go. Don't let me hear a word on this again.
Me.
Let me alone. Let me alone.
Come back here. What do you think you're going to tell me, eh? Huh?
What do you want me to do for you? I say I don't feel like it. Leave me alone.
Do you think I married you just to rot away? I also need to be satisfied by a man. And that man is you. Huh? And I'm still what's me, mom. What's see me also?
I have to go to see Nana. Then when I come back, we can talk.
Satisfy me, or I will not let you go. Mr. Mami, what's see me also? Me my own baby.
Okay, let's go inside.
Let's go.
But don't hold me. You don't have to hold me. Leave me alone.
What are you doing? Stop it. Come back here. Roger, useless man. You come and meet me here, foolish man.
Emompa, ene wiase de. Anwanwasem empa wo wiase da. Anti aboa bi betumi a kire onipa dasani awe. Aye huni moja ba kumpo sa sofom. Ni nyina musu bone.
Wo de bibia wo wiase a wonte ase bia isusun bone. Ha? Na no kra ne poma yiraye. Wo se sunsun bone na abefa poma no ko. A che du so mu a na ko ba se na no wi nsanfu oha no. Na oja poma no wo titiefi so.
Me se sunsun bone a. Asubasiro no. Mommy anu se ma sunsun bone no. Yeah. Ujano na eba no. Mo se do sinam. Onam bum se kura.
If I have decided to come to drink some palm wine, is it something to laugh at?
Boya, ya mamu amabu je na se be no nya pa no bi ele si oboro no bi. Oh. Bema, asma e bebu sawi, kamu no kura bi a kire ye. Ne ebeboa wo. What? Ka kire ye.
What's your question?
Why does your wife keep complaining at night?
You know women, if you do it, they complain. If you don't, they complain.
Isn't it more of
you can't do anything at all?
What nonsense are you people
saying? Where nonsense yourself? Where nonsense yourself? Hey, me yali na ande ha me. Atadwen ene nkati ada Roma. Ene bi gina ho pintin. Kan ye mo a, uya mo a.
Ojam, don't make me angry. Don't make me angry.
Opa, kobusa me. Oba ka chiro kwa me faso edoso na na.
Kobusa me me yere. Me fi shake.
Ne kobusa me yere.
Sradia.
Oda no ada say ti.
Wa do sradia.
He also wouldn't to Shadi.
Badu, have you seen Osa?
For what?
Oh, I think you should have gone to apologize to her.
Nonsense.
I'm sorry. I just hope it is all over and we can get on with our lives.
What do you mean by it is all over?
Bedu,
it is not over until I say it is over.
So all this time, what have you been doing?
I have been keeping it to myself, but now I'm fed up. I am giving out the best part of my young life to a useless old man.
But he treats you well, so there's no need to complain.
What good is all that when I cannot stand proud that Boja also performs? Mensu menya brepa.
Get this.
What for?
Boil it and make sure he drinks it every morning.
How many times will I boil all the herbs in the bush? I want to ask Nana Hima to have our marriage dissolved.
That is not the solution.
In fear nine. Me sepe me hoda. Opese me tena ne ho. Baby da.
Your case is not different from mine.
What's all I want to say? What's your problem?
AGYA has kept away from me ever since the son died. He doesn't eat. He doesn't even talk.
Hey!
Bwadua, the man has changed.
So, where is he?
I don't know. He walked out to somewhere this morning.
He doesn't go to farm?
Farm?
Abba, what's he doing?
He has gone hunting.
For the past 3 days, all he has done is hunt. And so on fire nam and my da.
Haven't you seen Bwadua?
So is this AGYA?
You've seen it for yourself. This is what he has become.
Abba, yeah, me cool. Me da si why?
Yo, no man why? Ebe. Bwadua,
I am in total disagreement with you. I will not support a divorce.
Nana Hima, me na me damage. Na mnim se de sisi shemefa. Asem we de bro me so.
Ewo mo se wo hwiri bibi de. Nanso woja, wo yi na se de se kunu.
Nana Hima, there's something that I'm missing is what is important to me. Nana, don't you have yours? You see, we all need it. Yenina, yehia.
Unu kuna kasa?
Dabi, I feel I'm perceiving neka.
Eni na si abotre. Na wio aha no am de ama wo no.
Mati. Pacho me se kwa kakra.
Buadiwa. Buadiwa. Buadiwa.
What do you want?
Openi, I'm looking for Buadiwa.
Oh, you are the one who has been feeding her with the wrong ideas.
What are you saying, Openi?
Don't pretend. You say I'm not a man. You show me. Show me which part is not a man. Show me. Show me.
Openi, honestly, I don't know what all this is about. I'm only here to visit my friend.
Well, she has gone to the farm.
Thank you, Openi.
Na AGYA kura wo hia. Onso oduebo. AGYA hu asen na abusa. Ene de AGYA abofu no. Na sema ye mobo papa. AGYA na sema ye mobo papa.
Awumawu ya. Awumawu ya papa. Se uba penyi pa wanye du se bewu. Asema to no.
Emom. Ohwema ne dobo pa na ne wafiri mu. Nti AGYA de no kwini na sema ye mobo papa.
Bene ne ma were hokura ne Buadiwa.
Adai. Usrana. Ha? Twini anim da ho aye monche. Ha? Se boja do branda. Na wo de sita o do branda.
Hwe. Me ye de ho kama me dakoro pe ne mani abre.
Ako wani pa boni papa unye nipa. Ako wa papo. Hey, ene o yiri huna mane. Oda.
Hey. Mati se so oja wale o.
Oye.
Oh, me yire wan. Buadiwa.
Kai, wo ja wale. Ene asma tukusie.
Mo mi enwe bibi.
Sale.
Opanyin trafie ma se fasofo. Ana so tro mi enu so ye ne hahane.
Mmom.
Enti mo mi ene Buadiwa nkasa. No ntena boja ho saa.
So beti ase dia.
Obeti ase.
So beti ase nkwa dia. Obeti ase.
Enti ase na ne hia.
Obeti ase.
Hey, come out and talk to me. If you are a woman, come out and talk to me.
What do you want me to do for you at all? Tell me.
Where is my food?
Food.
Where is my water to bath? You have refused to attend to me, your husband, for 3 days. Then today, the Queen Mother calls me and tells me you want a divorce.
Yes, I want a divorce.
I suppose you have told the whole village that your husband is impotent.
Are you not? If you are not, tell me.
What kind of a woman are you? You really want to disgrace me?
For your information, I have only spoken to the Queen Mother because it is customary in such cases. And if you can't prove yourself as a man, let me tell you, then you are as useless as a stone. Chese wo be man wa show ho bone.
Bako. Mienu. Yensa. Nine. Yensa. Nine. Enu. Endia. Wow, we be. Okra we here mu bi. Oh. Woni mo bo. We no han ni am tugu. Jaja. Nje ho wo di na we. Jaja. Na dem ke ba ntan ha wo. Obi so. Asantwa. Huh? Do you know what has happened to Lydia?
Hey. It's a serious thing. I think her husband will be found guilty.
Who are you to judge?
That is why I say tradition is sometimes useless. If Buediwa had allowed Openyeboja to taste her, she would have known that he's not working. As for me, I will never marry an old man.
Asantwa.
Tell me the truth.
What about Bedi?
I can see he really loves you.
Well, I don't.
Oh, stop being a fool. Dear. Being a prince and heir to the throne of this village, you'll be privileged to...
I think there is something wrong with your head. You and I know that once we put on these beads, we cannot touch nor see the nakedness of a man. Neither can they do the same to us. So what are you talking about?
So you know what? Just allow him to do something small.
I can see you are not correct up here.
So you are leaving me?
Boja, me person busu asem kakra. Wo yere no, no yare ana.
Certainly, yes. Nana, she was diagnosed of a heart problem. Unfortunately, she died when she had the attack.
Council of Elders, I don't believe what Boja is saying. He had threatened to kill his wife before. The wife reported him to me last night.
Nana, to the best of my knowledge, there had been cordial relationship between Boja and the wife. And I know of the woman's problem.
Nana,
if he claims that the wife was killed by heart attack, then we have to consult the fetish priest. He will be in the right position to tell us the truth.
Oh, Nahima, how can Boja kill his own wife? Huh? The woman died through heart attack, as he is saying. Well, our chairman, we shall invite the chief priest at our next meeting.
Yeah.
Therefore, said your mark on for Sieni, or so no penny for when you are so, no Montiano.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, boy.
But therefore, said your mark on for Siano. Or say, Aya, or Penny Boja way. Needing no one when him who be.
Therefore, Nanasime mo asunti say, ayo panyi boja. Odi konti ba na born yire no.
Boja, you've heard the chief priest. What have you to say?
Boja, speak. We are waiting for you.
Nana, I swear by your stool, I didn't intend to kill. We had a little misunderstanding, and accidentally my club hit her.
Nana, I told you I don't believe Boja. What is the sense in what he is saying? For lying in this house, I cannot believe him again.
Boja, why did you kill her? Why? She threatened to divorce me because I couldn't have sexual intercourse with her. I begged her to rescind her decision, but she insisted in order to avoid disgrace. So, Boja, you have really disappointed me. You have.
Boja. Uye ni mwiasini papa. Which we know here now. Netina so kunu. Oh, Dabi.
Boja, for lying to this house and for killing your own wife, I sentence you to death. By life. Oshami, call me the warrior.
can you do to me?